Hello, and welcome to the A+ desktop client. In collaboration with Uber Media, I created a desktop client that makes social surfing easier. Basically what we've done is we've combined a browser and your social media streams, and we've curated some channels that make it simple to navigate the social web and actually consume the material that's being tweeted or posted inside of the social web without ever having to leave your social media client itself. So if you look at the top left, just under where it says A+, you'll see my icon from Twitter, and underneath that you'll see a little bird with an A+ symbol, and you'll see some of the feeds that are personal to me. The all feed is an aggregation of all of the channels that are curated inside of that particular icon. And then if you go to the right of where my little icon is, you'll see A+ Arts and A+ Campus and A+ Apps and A+ Social and A+ Sports and etc. etc. And these are all channels that I've curated that are interesting Twitter feeds around any of those specific categories. So if, for example, you were to go to, let's just go A+ Apps, you'll see a tweet stream right next to that is an aggregation of Twitter feeds that are constantly and consistently posting interesting apps. So these are streams that I follow to find cool stuff. And if you click on the top tweet, it should open up the link that is associated or in that tweet if it has a link in it. If not, it'll just go straight to the page that actually tweeted it itself. And if you arrow down, you can navigate through the stream, and it should open up in sequence any links that have been posted inside of that stream. And you'll see to the browser to the right, sometimes it'll take a little bit longer than others if the site's heavier, but it should open up the content. Now that browser is a fully interactive browser, so anything that you want to click inside of there, it'll navigate around, and so on and so forth. And you obviously have the arrow keys, so you can arrow back and forth through sites, and a URL field if you want to go somewhere different altogether. Next to that, next to the curated stream, you'll see your stream where you have your timeline, and at the bottom there's the @ symbol, and there's a little envelope and the star for your favorites. So you have all of your @ replies, your direct messages, your favorites, your lists, your saved searches that are all right there for you. And then there's obviously up at the top next to the search field, there's a compose button where you can compose any tweets, shorten them, shorten the links. We've just tried to make utilizing the real-time web easier, faster, and more surfable. And that's the intention of this. And I hope you enjoy it as much as I do. Over time, I hope to actually make the curation channels, the channels that we have, more social. So I hope to open it up so that you can add to it or detract from it or change it as you wish. And that's that. I hope you enjoy. I hope you have a good time. Happy surfing, my friends. No, 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 no.